Good evening, guys. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening so far. Huh. What to do? Day 15. So what we did in the last class, boys?
We discussed about class, object,
Hmm.
and
Object
attributes,
and
methods.
constructor.
Very good.
Third,
One second. Hmm. Point number 1. What is a class?
Class is a template.
Template. Our class is a blueprint or
blueprint.
template. What is an object?
Copy of a
Okay.
class.
Copy of the class. Or one more word.
Instance of the
Instance of the
class.
class.
Then
Okay. What are members?
Variables and methods.
Very good. Variable and
And methods.
method.
methods present the
The class.
class or object. They are called as members.
Object.
Okay. How to access the members?
Using creating object.
No. It's the members. Imagine it's already created. Using
Access operator.
Yes.
operator, which is dot. Let us create one chart as a class. Now tell me how to create a student class.
Class. Class name.
Class name. Example.
Student.
I want to create one variable ID. Should I use let keyword?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
No.
no, sir.
Inside the class, we shouldn't use.
No.
How to create a function? Should I use function keyword?
No, sir. No.
Inside
No,
the
sir.
class.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. How to access
Can
the
we
ID? How to
consider
access it?
constructor is also a member of a class?
Constructor is also a member of a class in JavaScript, yes. Okay. But the only problem is you cannot access it using dot operator.
Okay.
It has to be called only using new keyword. Okay. That's the special. Tell me how to access the member now. I need to create a object. Let S1 is equal to how to create an object.
New student of.
Oh, it is a constructor. Now console dot log s1 dot id. How to call print method? s1 dot
Control dot log.
just execute. Okay, this is what we do it. Now, of course, there are different way we can write it. This is one of the simplest way. This is what we did in the last class. Please tell. So what is the use of new keyword?
For creating an object.
Creates new instance.
Okay. Then, what is the constructor? What is the purpose of constructor? It is used to initialize. If we don't write the constructor, what we get? We get default. You can also create your own constructor that is called as user-defined constructor. In that user-defined, there are two types. One is the no-R constructor. Second one is parameterized constructor. Very important thing in JavaScript. We can't
Overload.
the constructor.
Overload.
What do you mean by that? You cannot create two constructors with a different argument. There can be only one constructor.
Sir, in JavaScript, there is no overloading concept itself.
Overloading concept itself is gone. Is that code is working?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, instead of printing hi, how to print ID?
This dot ID.
Yes, using this keyword is mandatory. What is that? This dot ID.
ID.
Okay. Now, instead of declaring instead of initializing the variable here, can I do it inside the constructor?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
This
go
dot
ahead.
ID is equals to value.
ID is equal to some value which is still good. Instead of 10, can I take it from the user and unassign it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simple ID. Here I'll say
ID.
okay. What will be the output of this code if I run it?
Undefined.
No values passed.
Very good. Undefined. Tell me why undefined?
We are not
We
passing.
We are
Passing
calling
any
a
value.
constructor, but we are not sending any data. If I don't send any data, will I get error?
No, sir.
sir.
Undefined.
No. Yeah. The
Undefined.
variable will be treated as undefined.
Undefined.
Be careful about it. Okay, that is also possible. If you want, you can send that data. Can I assign some default value?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes or no?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here what it will print? 0. Here what it will print? 45.
45.
45.
Sir, so value 45 like this, the second constructor will be like user defined constructor.
No, madam. Inside the class. Did I write the constructor?
Yes.
Yes
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
Deepika?
Yes,
Ah.
sir.
This is user defined constructor.
Okay. Explicitly like
Did I write the
mentioning, so
constructor?
no.
Explicitly if you write, that is user defined constructor. If you
Okay.
don't write anything, then JavaScript will put it for you. That is default constructor.
Default. Okay. Like which is not visible, that is one
So
default,
not
and
this one.
Yeah.
Whichever it is visible, that is user defined.
okay.
Very good. Shall I go to the next step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, right click, new, demo 3. Just put it class. We have a constructor, ID, name, phone number. How to initialize it? Please tell me the code.
This dot
This
ID
dot.
is equals to
Is
ID.
equal to ID. Very good. So next,
This dot
This
name.
dot name.
dot name is equal to name. Very good.
Name.
Next,
This dot.
This
Yeah.
dot phone number is equals to.
some phone number. Correct, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I want to print it. How to print it? Let us use a function called print. And here I'll write a code. What is the code?
Console.log ID, comma.
Should I
name.
write console.log 3 times, or in one console.log I can print all the 3 values?
One.
In
In
one
one log we can
Very good.
print.
Now tell me the code.
ID, comma, name,
ID,
comma, ph.
comma.
name, comma.
This dot.
This dot ID.
This dot ID.
Is it only ID or this dot ID?
This dot ID.
Dot
This
ID.
dot name. This dot
This
ph.
dot name. Come on. This dot ph. Don't forget it. Tell me how to create an object now. Let S1 is equal to
Equal to
New student.
new
student of
student
Top.
I will pass one akshara. Here I will write, How to print it?
S1 dot
S1 dot
Print off.
print.
Print off.
Tell me, is it printing?
Yes, sir.
Now, imagine instead of hard coding it, it is inside an array. Let's say let A is equal to, I have this data. Okay, now I'll create an object. To create an object, less S2 is equal to new student of how to send ID. Okay, just for the sake, I'll use it. Let it be one only. Now tell me how to send it. A of
Yeah, 0.
0. How to send the name?
A of
A of
1.
1.
Oh.
A of
A of 2.
Yeah. Then I'll write a code. S2 dot
Print.
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 Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Instead of writing A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, do we have any shortcut?
Yes, sir.
Spread.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Now tell me, please.
Dot
3
dot
dots
dot
with
dot dot
A.
A.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow this?
Yes, sir.
So if the data is inside array, can I use spread while calling the constructor? Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is nothing but calling a function. The way you can use spread in function, here also can use. Well, receiving also I can use it. I'll show you. That is called as what? REST.
Sir, after creating the object, we have to put this array line or like earlier
One
to
place.
that.
Array should be here, right? First array should be there. Then while
Okay.
calling the constructor, we just say spread it.
Okay.
Tell me, while receiving it, can I use the same concept?
Rest.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But how to write it here? You tell me. Boys and girls.
Same
What is
data
this
of 0.
data? It's an array. Correct,
Data of
right?
0, data of 1, data of 2.
That's it. Tell me the code, please. Data
Data
of
of
0.
0.
0.
Data of 1.
Oh.
Data of 2.
Good. So, what is this is called as?
Spread.
Spread. What is this is called as? Rest.
Rest.
Sir, but in line number 17, you are sending the data to that argument. So it is printing that one, but how it is like for the rest part,
What is the confusion?
like initially, first of all, we are sending this one,
This
right?
is as good as what, madam?
Array.
E of 0. Correct?
Yes.
E of 1 and E of 2. Isn't it?
Yes.
When you send it, no matter how many values you send it, everything is received into a data.
Okay, we have to mention it like both.
Not mention it like both. Look at the previous example. What I did in the previous example.
We are writing the parameters over here.
Correct, right?
Yes.
So what do you mean by dot dot of A? It is as good as expanding
Shortcut
the
for
array
array.
element. A of 0 will go and sit in
ID.
A of 1 will go and sit in
Name.
Name.
A of 2 will go and sit in phone number.
PH.
Correct,
Phone
right?
number.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Looks like you guys are just attending the class without practicing previous class information. Tell me here what happens.
Like shortcut for array, we are sending the data A of
You
0
have
and
0,
1
A
and 2.
of 1, A of 2.
A of 1
When
and
the
A of
control
2.
comes here, what happens? Data of 0 will be
It will
A of
receive.
0. Data of 1 will be
Okay.
A of 1. Just this.
A of 1. Okay.
Is it working? Post your output. I'll be back in a minute. Is it working, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very important example. Observe. More JS. Let me create one class called A. Let me use one variable called count 0. I will write one constructor. I will just do one simple thing. Tell me what is happening inside the constructor.
Count plus.
It is incrementing the value of the count, correct?
Yes, sir.
When it will increment?
When we are when we are creating an object.
When we create an object, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll create one object. Example, A1 is equal to, tell me how to create an object.
New A.
New A.
A of
New of
A.
A.
Console.log A1 dot count. Tell me what is the value of the count?
0.
0. If I print it here, should it print 0, 1, 2, 3? What it should print?
Incremented value.
No, what is the value? Tell me.
1.
1.
Tell me, is it printing 1?
Yes.
Yes.
So, when it will increment the value of the count?
When we create
When we
object.
call the constructor. When
Construct.
do we call the constructor? While creating a
New
object.
K.
Object.
Yes.
Okay, so every time when I create an object, what will happen to the counter?
it gets incremented by 1.
It gets incremented by
1.
Oh, tell me now. Here you already know 1. Here
1.
1 or 2?
2. It will increment.
Increments. 2.
Here
3.
are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
No, sir. It will be 1. Every time we are
What is
creating a
that?
new object.
Our confusion is not creating object. Our confusion is we think that there is only one variable called count. Okay, let us see what happens in reality. Listen to me carefully. Tell me when the control comes here, what happens here, please?
It will create
Create
a
a
object.
Create a object. What do you mean by that? Create one variable. What is the variable?
A1.
A1
What a new keyword will do? It will
create
create
a
a
new object.
object. What is an object? What is an
Copy
object?
It's
of
an
class.
instance of
Instance
a
of a
class.
class.
Yes, sir.
So it will copy from the class. Which class? A
A.
class.
A.
Play class.
What variable?
0.
Count.
Count
Count
variable.
variable.
What is its value?
0.
What else we have?
Constructor.
Constructor. Inside
Inside constructor,
constructor.
I have written plus.
Plus
Correct, right?
plus.
Yes.
Yes.
Next up, object is created. What are we doing here?
Calling constructor.
When you call the constructor, what it will do?
It will increment the value.
It was 0, it will increment it to
1.
1.
and A1 will point to this object. Are we clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Control goes to second line. Explain me, please.
Now it will print
A1 dot count.
Count.
What is the A1 dot count? It is
One.
1.
1.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear till this?
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Explain me this code, please.
Now A2 will be
One
created.
more instance A2.
Create A2.
Create one more
Okay.
object.
Huh.
Yes,
And
sir.
after that,
The
Create
new
a new
object is
object.
create
created.
new
New
object.
What is
Yeah.
an object? Is it a copy of another object or it's a copy of the class?
No, it is
Copy
a
of the
class.
class.
Copy of the class.
What it will copy? Please tell me.
Count
It will
equal to
copy
0
count
and
is
constructor.
equal to
Count and
0
constructor.
and constructor inside constructor
plus
increment.
plus. A2 will point here. Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
When you say A of, it will call this constructor. So E plus plus. What it will do? It will increment it.
Increment. The value
0 again becomes 1.
One.
It will print again, it is 1.
1.
Same thing happens here,
Similar
isn't
way.
it?
Yes, 1.
One.
Again, it will be one.
Now my question is, when I declare a variable inside the class, and every time when I create an object, will it be a single copy or it will be multiple copy?
It's
Multiple
a multiple.
Multiple copy.
How many?
Three.
How
Number
many
of
objects we
objects.
create? How many
Depending
objects we
on number
created?
of objects.
Objects we
If I-
created.
If I create 100 objects, there will be 100 copy. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this variable count stored where? Where it is actually stored?
In the
Heap
heap.
only.
In the
In
heap.
heap where? In heap where? Yes, this entire thing is heap. Inside a heap where? Inside
Inside
the
the
object.
object.
So this is called as object variable. Tell me what it is called as?
Object variable.
Object variable.
Is also called as object is also called as instance
Instance
variable.
variable.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
By default, whenever we specify any variable inside the class, okay, and they will be stored inside the object depending on the number of objects we created, they belongs to object. They are called as object variable or instance variable. Number of copy depends on number of
Number
objects
of
created.
objects created.
Each object, tell me, contains its own copy. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So be careful. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, suppose my intention is count the number of objects created. Then, if I write it, always I'll get the output as 1, 1, 1. I don't want 1, 1, 1. I want 1. Next time what I want? 2. Next time what I want? 3. So, how it is possible? It is possible if every objects have same its own count, or if all the objects have one single count. If I want to continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counting, should I make every object will have its own count variable, or I should have one common count variable for all the
One
objects?
common count variable for all.
This is possible using a concept called static variable. What type of variable?
Static variable.
Static variable.
This example, is it count is a static? No. Opposite, non-static variable. What type of variable?
Non-static variable.
Object variable, instance variable, also called with one more name. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the name? Tell me.
Non-static variable.
Non-static variable. Okay. So non-static variable means, what is the concept? Each object contains its own copy of this variable. Generally, when do we use it? We use this non-static variable or instance variable to store individual information or private information. Okay. So when do we use this instance variable?
You want to store
To
individual
store
information.
individual
Information.
or private information. Example, let me go back to the student. Okay, or let us say student name, phone number. Now tell me, in general, when I take two students, name and phone number will be same or it will be different?
Different.
So this student will have his own name and phone number. Student
Yes,
2,
sir.
she will have her own name and phone number, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is individual information, okay, specific to the object. So in such cases, you must use by default instance variable, object variable, also called as non-static variable. What type of variable?
Instant.
Non-static variable. Now, if you observe, in this example, count is a instance variable or non-static. Okay, we'll see how to create a static variable. Please take it. So answer is wrong here. It is not 1, 2, 3. What is the answer here?
1, 1, 1.
1, 1. Okay.
Sir, can you please repeat again for the static one, like the count of objects?
I'll show next example. Then again I'll compare it. Don't worry. But did you understand why it is 1, 1, 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Deepika, did you understand why it is 1, 1, 1?
Yes. Yes.
Why? Is it count is one copy or multiple copy?
Multiple copies.
We will see how to make it as a single copy. Then again I'll distinguish between them.
So, OOPS concepts also is similar to Java in JavaScript.
Subramani,
Yes, sir.
OOPS is a general concept, irrespective of any coding language.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Java, Python, JavaScript, C#. OOPS is OOPS. But the way it is implemented depends on language to language.
Language. Okay.
Example. Okay. If you look at it, in Java, we create a class like this only. Class A, open the curly bracket, curly
Yes,
bracket.
sir.
JavaScript is also same. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Whereas in Python, we don't write like this. In Python, we write a code, class A, colon, we write it. What we write?
Class A colon.
In Python, there is no curly bracket for defining the block. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Class is class. It's a blueprint or template. Whether it is a Java or Python or JavaScript, definition is same, concept is same. But the way
Yes,
you
sir.
write a program is different from one coding language to another.
Other program.
No, you are just comparing class. Don't you think even for loop, if condition, everything is
Yes,
same?
sir. Yes, sir.
Variable,
Almost same.
everything only same. Only thing is the syntaxes are different. That's it. One major difference we see is Java is very strict in data type.
Yes, sir.
JavaScript is flexible.
Yes, sir.
Is it working? Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes, sir, it's working.
shall I go to next step now?
Yes, sir.
Observe this. Observe. Deepika, concentrate.
Yes, sir.
I'll just do one simple thing. I just add one keyword. What is the keyword?
Static.
Static. What is incomplete? But still, let me run. What is the output I'm getting?
Nan.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is nan?
Not a number.
Not a number. Tell me what is that?
Not a number.
number.
We'll see why. Yeah. First of all, let me use a different. I'll teach you all this. Don't worry what I'm. Let me run it. What I'm getting everywhere?
0.
0, 0, 0. One more change, 7. Now tell me, am I getting 1, 2, 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us analyze this code now. What is that? When you click run button, when the control comes here, okay, as usual, you know that there is one important memory we have it, stack. One more is, what does that tell me?
Heap.
Heap.
Heap. You will have one more area. Technically, it is called as static pool. What is the name given for it?
Static pool.
In the static pool, a memory is created for every class that you create. In static pool, a memory is created for every class you create. In this case, which class we have? Only one class we have. What does the class tell me?
A.
A.
Here also the name will be A. Will it store everything? No. It will store only the variables and methods which are declared using static key. Tell me what is stored inside?
Only static variables are stored.
Static methods are stored. As of now, we have only static variable.
Variable.
What is the static variable?
Count.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now what? You can access the count directly using class name. Example. Let me write it here only. Let me comment all this. I'll come back. Wait. Directly I'll write code. What is the code? Tell me. Console dot as a dot
count.
user variable. Am I creating any object?
No, sir.
No.
No. Is it printing?
Yes.
Let me go to previous example. Let me try to write the same code. Console.log a dot count. Careful, JavaScript is not what we think. Tell me what it says.
Undefined.
Undefined. Why?
Because it is a
class
non-static.
name, if you use class name, it will search in the static pool. If you use class name, where it will search?
In the
Static
static
In
pool.
static pool.
Have a stack. We have a heap. Inside the we have a special memory static pool. Inside the static pool, where for every class there will be one dedicated memory. Yeah. But in this case, do we have any variables and methods which are created using the keyword static?
No, sir.
No. Anything is stored? No.
No,
No.
sir.
Kalidaba.
Undefined.
Console.log. Yes, console.log. What is that? A. Do we have A?
Yes.
Dot
Yes.
count. Do we have count?
No, sir.
No. In
No.
JavaScript, when you access a variable which is not assigned any value, what we get? We get it as
Undefined.
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 Same story I'm getting it. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's come back to this current code. Let us see this. Explain me when I run it fast will happen first. We will have a stack.
Stack and heap.
Heap. Inside the heap, one special memory.
Static pool.
Static pool. Inside that, one class area.
Yes, sir.
Which class?
A.
In that one variable. What is the variable?
Count.
What is the value?
Zero.
Zero.
Did we create any object till now?
No, sir.
No,
No,
not
sir.
yet. Control comes
sir.
here. Tell me, console.log. A.
A
In the heap, do we have A? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Dot count. Do we have count? Yes.
Yes,
sir.
What is the
Zero.
value? Zero.
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 Clear till this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No.
Sir.
Tell me this code, please.
Created
A
object.
variable, A1.
A1.
What is this? Tell me.
Creating a new object.
New
A.
object. What is an object? Copy of the class.
Class.
What is an object?
Copy of the
Copy
class.
of
Be careful. It is not complete copy of the class. Sometimes there will be always an exception. Okay, something is excluded. Example. Do you think it will copy the count variable?
No, sir.
No. If it is static, it will not copy. That will go and sit in static.
Static pool.
What will happen? Tell me. Constructor, we will have it. Inside the constructor, I've written a code. What is the code? A dot count.
Count plus.
Let it be. And then A1. Okay, it is pointing here. After creating an object, what are you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Calling the constructor. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
When the control goes to constructor, what is there inside the constructor?
A dot count plus
A
plus.
dot count plus.
Do we have A?
Yes.
Within the do we have count?
Yes, sir.
Plus. What will happen? Tell me.
One.
One.
It will change value to one.
Become one.
So when I next line, when I go here, console.log A dot count, what it will print?
One.
One it will print it. Next. That's one. Correct, right? Is it one?
Yes, sir.
First time it is 0, second time it is. Similarly, imagine this particular code. Okay, this A2. Tell me what happens here. It will create
It
one
will
more
create
object.
one more object.
One saying constructor A dot count plus plus. When you call it, what will happen? Count plus plus. It's the same count, single copy throughout the entire program, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What will happen to one? One will become two.
Two.
Once again, if you do it, two will become three.
Three. So on.
In this
Three.
example, when I declare a variable with using static keyword, will it store multiple copy, one for each object, or it will create one single copy?
Common copies.
One copy.
One
Yes,
single
sir.
One single copy.
Understood? Why are we getting 0, 1, 2, 3?
Yes, sir.
If it is in this example,
Yes, sir.
does this belongs to object or it belongs to class memory?
Class.
Class memory. Okay.
Class
Can I
memory.
call it as an object variable or instance variable?
No, sir.
No.
No,
This
sir.
is called as
Static variable.
Static
You can
variable.
also call it as
Class variable.
variable. So please observe in the previous example, wherever we wrote it here. Okay. This is called as object variable. This is called as class variable. This is called as non-static variable. This is called as static variable. Okay. So is it each object contains its own copy of this variable? No. Tell me. All of. Okay. Okay. No matter whatever it is, will always point to
One single copy.
One second. One second. So, now, when do we use static variable? Very, very easy. We use static variable to store common information. What type of information?
Common information.
Or shared information. What type of information? Common information and shared information.
Sharing.
I'll tell you what do you mean by common information or shared information. Please.
Sir, in line number 8, instead of a, we cannot write this dot count.
This means what?
Current object.
Current object. So is it count is inside the current object?
No, sir.
No. Good question. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Observe this here. Imagine we have three students with how do you spell your name? With DIPE. Oh. Let me
Yes,
just
sir.
add some simple lazy to type. I'll take a shot. Other people. Oh. No. Tell me in this case, which one is in individual information, which one is a common information?
Akshara is common.
ID name
Organization is
or
a common information, name and ID individual information.
Yes,
Every student will have their own ID, their own name, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes.
But all of them are student of Akshara training. Now tell me, does it make any sense to store the information Akshara 3 times?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
If,
sir.
if we have got around 4,000, 5,000 students, right? So should I store
Yes, sir.
Akshara training information 5,000 times? No.
Memory.
No.
Then small changes also becomes very tough. So in such cases, you only tell me which one should be declared as object variable, which one should be declared as class variable.
Akshara should be declared as
static variable.
ID and name should be.
Object variable.
Object variable.
object.
Object variable, non-static variables.
Can you help me to write a code for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Class
Student.
student. Tell me, when it started.
Static.
Organization. What is
Akshara.
organization?
Akshara.
Oh, okay. Next, I'll directly write a
Constructor.
Constructor.
ID, comma.
Name.
Tell me, please.
This dot ID is equal to it.
Very good. This dot
ID is equals to ID.
Equals to ID.
This dot name is equal to name.
To name.
Let me print. Tell me how to print.
This
Console
dot
dot log
ID,
This dot ID.
comma,
this dot name.
name.
But is that organization Akshara belongs to object or it belongs to class?
Class.
Belongs
A
to
dot
class.
Not a
Student dot.
student dot. Tell me what is
Student
that?
dot.
Student dot.
How to create an object of the student?
Let
S1 is equal to new student
new
dot.
student of
S1 dot print
ID,
dot
comma, name.
ID, comma name.
name, comma.
How to print? Okay, I'll
Console
create one
dot-
more.
S1 dot.
Console.log,
No.
S1 dot ID.
Student of
Print of two, comma, name.
Name.
I will print it. How to print it? Just one
Dot.
print and yes.
S2 dot.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if we have a function and a class, then when we run the JavaScript file, which gets loaded first in the memory?
Ladies and gentlemen, which one will get loaded first?
Constructors.
No, in this code. First, it will load all the variables
Variable.
declared
Variables.
outside.
Variables and
Then it
methods.
will declare all the functions or methods.
That's
If class is written, class gets loaded. Then the actual code gets executed.
yes.
Even it is a function outside the class also.
Yes. Code is loaded. It is not executed. Remember, it will keep it ready for execution. In this case, execution actually start from line number 7.
Okay, 17.
Rest everything is just loaded to them. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Imagine one class is there called bank. In that 3 information I want to store. Account number, PAN and bank name. So you decide, you tell me which one should be declared as static, which one should be declared as
Bank
non-static.
name.
Bank name should be static. Static.
Static. Account number. PAN number.
Master.
This is
Non-static.
This is also
Non-static. The static.
This. Okay. Can you guys write one example for that, please? Create a class. What is the class?
Bank.
Bank. Create bank name as static, account number and PAN. Okay, write a code for it. No, just one object is enough. Create bank class, About 3 attributes. Create one object. Ditto, same program like the way I did it. Which one? This one. Student like only. But instead of student, which class you are going to create? Bank class.
Bank.
Do that, please. Fast. What? Is it done?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Done. Posted.
Very good. Take your time now, sure. Not every.
Sir, is it right?
Wait, I'm opening. Very good. All of you, please remember, it's a general practice to start the class name capital letter. First letter of the class should be what? Capital. That's a
Capital.
general practice. Of course, at the end, I'll tell you how to specify class name, variable name, method name. As of now, don't worry about that. Just
Sir, I have posted the output. Could you please check it for once?
This one, static. Yes. Madam, you are printing in
Yes, sir.
constructor also. Again, you are printing inside print method also. Don't do the
Okay.
double work. No.
Okay.
Correct. Can you explain me what are those now?
One static variable and
What
one
is I?
non-static
What
variable.
is I?
Non-static.
Very good. What are the other names for non-static variable, guys?
It's a class
Uh,
variable.
Object
class
variable.
variable.
Not class
Class.
variable.
Object
Non-static
variable.
object variable or instance variable.
Object variable. Instance variable.
Be careful. My question was other name for non-static variable.
Yes, sir.
This is
Class variable.
static variable or class variable. What is M1?
Non-static method.
Non-static
Yes,
method.
by default is non-static method. What about M2 now?
Static
Static
method.
method.
Static.
Remember to access class variable and class method. Nothing but static variable and static method.
Static
method.
method.
Static method.
Can use
Class name.
class name. Example console.log. I will use class A. Can I access I or I can access J?
J, sir.
J. A dot
J.
J.
Good. Can I access I? No.
No,
No.
sir.
For that, you have to
Will I
create
get error?
object.
No, I don't get error. It will say
Undefined.
undefined. How can I call M1 or M2? I can call
M
without creating an
M2.
object.
Two.
M2.
M2,
How?
sir.
How?
A dot M2.
Very good. A dot.
M2.
M2.
Be careful. Be careful. Star, it is showing M1 also. Yes.
No, it is
Yes,
general
sir.
suggestion.
Yeah. Can you see
Already
what
we
it
used
is?
M1. That's why it's
General.
That's
Yes, sir.
what. Is it displaying that the dabba? No.
No,
no
sir.
double, sir.
Oh, be careful. This who is doing it? JavaScript is doing it or VS Code is doing it?
VS Code.
VS Code
VS
is
Code. Oh,
Yes.
that is very confusing. Be careful. Okay. Now, to access, tell me,
Instance.
instance variable.
and method. Tell me.
We have to create an object.
Object should be created.
Okay.
Create an object.
Tell me, please. Let obj
Let
is equal to
object is equal to
new
A
A
of
of
console.log.
log
Tell me, obj
OBJ.
dot I.
yes, sir.
obj dot
dot
m1.
EJ dot M1.
Understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to next step?
Yes, sir.
I is non-static variable, J is static variable. M1 is what type of method?
Non-static method.
Static.
I want to know how to access non-static variable inside non-static method. Tell me,
Directly.
which is I?
Directly we can access.
Not directly. This is not I. This is not Java. You cannot. Can I write only I? Ladies and gentlemen, can I write I? Or I have to write this dot I?
This dot I.
This dot.
This dot I.
That is what we are doing it. Correct, right? Everywhere.
Yes, sir.
But here, I want to know access what? Static.
A dot
Variable.
J.
A dot J, sir.
Inside what?
Non-static method.
Should I write this dot J?
No,
Huh?
sir.
No. Why?
Because it is present in static pool and it
What do
is
you mean by
a
this?
static
What do you mean?
variable.
Correct. What do you mean by this?
Current object.
This is referred to
Current
current
object.
object.
Current object.
So is it inside the object?
No, sir.
No. Can you see that? So what is the
Yes,
correct
sir.
way?
A dot
A
A dot
dot
J.
Dot.
Doubts.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I write only I? No. It must be what?
This dot I.
This dot.
Object dot I, class dot J. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Next example. I'll make M1 as what type of method? Static method. Previous example, method was?
Non-static.
In this example, method is static. You see, previous example is done.
Yes, sir.
Deepika, Anita, Raj, Manoj, Pavan,
Yes, sir.
Narendra, Sunil.
There's output problem.
Is it demo 10 is working?
Yes,
Suyesh?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's come back to demo 11. Observe carefully. First of all, you tell me how to call M1.
Call M1
A dot
static
A
method.
dot.
A dot M1.
One off.
Do we need to create an object?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Why? Why?
It is
It's
a
a static. It
method.
belongs to class. But since I'm not creating an object, what will not be present in the memory? Boys and girls.
I
So non-static
is not
variable will
present
not
in
be
the
present.
So can you write this dot I?
No, sir.
No, no, sir. No, sir.
What I will get?
Undefined.
Undefined.
So, what is not possible?
Non-static member cannot be accessed.
We can't access non-static variable inside
Static method.
Static method.
Static method.
Static method can access only static
Static method
variable.
and variables.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat once again?
M1 is what type of method?
Non-static.
What do you mean by non-static? How to access non-static method? By creating
With
an
this
object.
dot. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The moment you create an object, before creating an object, class is there.
Yes.
If the class is there, static variable will be there.
Yes.
If you create an object, you'll get non-static variable also.
Yes.
So when you use the non-static method, you can access static variable also and non-static variable also. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
But look at this example. Next example. Look at this. In this example, are we creating object anywhere?
No.
No. M1 is a static. So what will happen? Class is there. Static
So-
pool is there. Inside
Mhm.
static pool, we have
Static
J
method.
and M1 is also
M1
there.
is also there.
What is not there? I is not there. Correct, right?
Okay.
Yes.
When you call
Yes.
A, it can access only J. This is not at all possible. In any language, it's a concept. Okay. Tell me what is the concept? Inside
Static method.
Static method we cannot
cannot
access
access
non-static variable.
non-static variable.
Non-static variable.
That's the rule. Okay. In other languages, I get error. Papa, JavaScript not throw any error. It will say
Undefined.
undefined. So which method can access both?
Non-static.
Non-static method can
Non-static.
access.
Non-static.
Static variable.
The easiest way to remember this.
Easy or difficult?
No, what is the easiest way to remember this? Sometimes you get confused.
Yeah.
No confusion. Very
The
simple.
interviewer will ask like,
They will ask you confusing question.
That context wise, we have to remember, sir. Static context and non-static.
Just you remember the diagram.
So best practice is used to static, right, sir?
No. Depends on our reader necessity. Yeah.
Okay.
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 Observe.
Okay.
That
Stack memory, heap memory.
way.
Static pool.
Right.
Yes.
So in the static pool, we will have a respective class example. A. Imagine we have a J.
Static variable.
Okay. Then we
Methods.
have
Static method.
static method M2. Hypothetical. Okay. Next. We will create one
Object.
Object contains V and object contains
Non-static variable and
non-static method M.
non-static method. Yes, sir.
For your information, object can access respective static code. Tell me what is possible? Object can access respective static code,
Static pool.
but static pool cannot access object. What is not possible?
Static pool
Object
cannot
can
access
access.
object.
Object can access static pool, but static pool cannot access object. So inside static pool, whatever we have it, they are static, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which one is static? J is static
Static pool.
and M2 is static.
M2 is also static.
So what M2 can access?
J.
What is access? Only
Static
J.
variable.
J.
Static variable. Can it access the object?
No,
No.
sir.
No, not possible. M1. Can it access I?
yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can it also access J?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Simple. Right? One restriction we have, that's all. What is that one restriction?
That it
Static
cannot access
method.
static method.
Static method access only static variable.
Variable.
That's all the restrictions. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Non-static can access both static variable and non-static. This is the rule we have to remember. You will share this code.
Yes, sir.
I will write one code just to create a confusion. That's the case. Inside the static method, what I'm trying to do?
Trying to access non-static variable.
Possible.
Static to non-static. No, sir.
Deepika.
No, sir.
No,
We
right?
cannot access from static to non-static.
But okay. Is it working?
Yes.
Inside the static method, this means current. Tell me the meaning of this.
Current class.
Where?
Inside the
Inside
static,
the static
static.
method.
Static.
Inside the non-static method, this means
Current object.
Current
current
object.
object. Be careful. One of the confusing things they did it in JavaScript. But usually we don't do that. Okay? But
Yes,
for
sir.
interview sake, you should remember it. See, generally what we do, how do we access it?
But
Tell
sir,
me.
earlier in the last example you were doing, it was throwing error, right? This
No,
dot
I
I.
never. No, madam. I was not getting error. It was undefined. Tell me.
Okay.
Am I
Yes.
getting error or undefined?
Undefined, yeah.
Which method? What type of method?
Static method.
Static method.
In static method, this means what?
Current class.
Current class. Inside the current class, do we have I variable?
Yes.
No. Not the program. In the memory perspective, you tell me.
Memory.
In the static pool, okay, let me ask you more precisely. In the static pool, do we have I variable?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No.
No,
I
sir.
is a
No,
I
non-static.
is a
Static.
non-static.
Non-static.
Non-static, sir.
J is there, sir.
J is there. So
It will be in
can-
the object.
Method is
It will be in the object.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, moral of the story. Inside static method. This means
Current
Object,
class.
current class.
Current class.
Current.
M2 is what type of method?
Non-static.
Non-static.
Inside
Non-static.
non-static method. Tell me.
This is
This,
object.
this
This
is
means
object.
Current object.
Current object.
Current
Object.
Object.
Be careful. Be careful. Let obj is equal to new a of. Tell me how to call it. Obj dot m is printing. Okay. Be careful. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So usually standard practice is inside non-static method. Use which keyword?
This.
This
This keyword.
This keyword.
Inside static method, always use class
Class
name.
name.
Class.
Class.
This will also work, but it creates a confusion. Not recommended. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Static means class name, non-static means this. But in interview, most of the people don't know this concept because everybody always remember one word. What they did? This means current object, this means current object. They'll mug it up.
Yes, sir.
This is where to blunder mistake. Okay. So I know till the last example I used to say this means current object, this means that is okay for teaching. But in interview, right? So learning is not enough. You should also give the proper answer. I don't want my student to get rejected because of this. Later point, you should not come and blame. Sorry, you did not told me. Every day you used to say this means object, this means object. I told the same thing. Interviewer rejected me. This is the truth. This is a fact. Here is the proof. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Be careful. Tell me. Run the previous code, please. Tell me the two types of variable we have in the class.
Static and non-static variables. Static
Okay.
variable, non-static variable.
How do you decide
Class variable.
whether it should be a static variable or non-static variable? tell
Static
me.
keyword should be used.
No. Static keyword, but you decide. You should decide, na?
Okay.
Should I
Yeah.
declare it as a static or I should not declare it as static? How do you decide it? Do that.
If it is of one copy, then we will declare it as
Yeah.
static.
No. One
Common
copy, you
copy.
are deciding it. But why?
Uh-huh.
Tell me the correct sentence.
Common.
Example, I will say name is equal to Akshara. Should I declare it as a static or non-static?
Static, sir.
Names a stat.
No, if
Name
it
is
is
non-static,
specific
sir.
to common, if it is a
It
common,
depends. If it is a student name,
Depends.
if it is a student name,
Non-static.
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 non-static,
if it is an institute name,
then
Static.
it is
Static.
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 understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
tell me properly, generalize it and tell me. If information we are trying to store,
Is a common for all.
yes,
Yes,
is
sir.
a common
Common
or
Common
shared
data.
information,
That is static.
then
Static variable.
that variable
Is a
must be
not
That declared as a
declared
static.
as static. Yes, of course, it's a single copy. Okay, no doubt. But this is how you take a decision. Am I clear?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you are storing a pan, are you going to make it as a static or non-static?
Non-static.
Non-static. It's
Non-static.
private, sir.
Why?
Private
So
information.
Private
unique, sir.
information.
Unique for individual.
Unique to that person, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, suppose if I will ask you to store IFSC code in the bank.
That is a common
That
for
is common
static
for
all customers of the
All
bank, sir.
customer of that particular branch. So I'll
Yes.
make it as a static for that branch.
Static.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Understood when to how to decide it?
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
Completed. If the
Information we are trying to store
information
is
we are-
individual.
yes, trying
private.
to store is individual.
Individual and private, then
private.
that should be
Individual
non-static
or
variable.
private, whatever the word. Yeah? Private info.
And that
Then
variable must be declared
that
as
variable
non-static.
must be declared as.
Non-static.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me two types of methods.
Static method, non-static
Static
method.
method, non-static.
Or
Non-static
Non-static
method.
methods.
how do you decide?
The method which we are trying to store in static.
Method is not used to store. Correct,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
to decide if
Method.
method should be static
Static.
or not? Previous question was how to decide if variable should be. Are we clear with this first concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But can I tell the same story for a method? No.
No.
Doesn't make any sense. You are not storing it. Correct?
Yeah.
It depends on what are you trying to access. Tell me, what are we trying
Yeah.
to access?
Access.
Observe. Let me tell you. Imagine one method is there. That method is accessing only static variable. Then what it is accessing?
Only static variable.
This one method is there. It is accessing
Yeah.
only non-static variable. Possibilities are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more method is there. That is trying to
Both.
access both
Static and non-static.
Static and non-static.
static and
Non-static.
non-static variable of the class. One method is there. One more combination. What?
No.
Not accessing any of them.
Any of them.
Very
Correct,
good.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did I cover all the possibility?
Yes, sir.
Only static,
Yes,
only
sir.
non-static, both, none. Any other possibility? Deepika,
No, sir.
Sunil, no, right? Now you tell
No,
me,
sir. No,
use your
sir.
common sense and tell me, what are you going to declare that as?
It's a static
Static
method.
method, sir.
Very good. Static.
Only non-static,
Non-static.
then non-static.
Non-static.
Very good.
Yes, both
Both.
static, then
Static.
non-static.
Static method.
Non-static, sir.
Static method.
Lo.
Static method.
Observe. I told you the limitation. You remember the limitation?
Yes,
Static
sir.
method. What is the
Yes.
problem?
We cannot access non-static.
It cannot
variable.
access non-static.
So,
Okay.
what is the
Variable.
only way?
Non-static
Oh,
method.
non-static.
Getting non-static. Okay.
Yes, to access. Non-static, sir.
It can be non-static also, it can be static also.
Static.
But best practice is static. Best practice is
Okay.
what?
Static.
Let me tell you other way around. When it comes to method, first preference is static method. First preference is what?
Static
Static.
method.
Static.
Single copy. Why you want to unnecessarily store it? Unfortunately, why do we make the method as non-static? Because non-static method is the only method which can access non-static variable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And it can access both. Remember, variable can be static, non-static. Method also can be static or non-static.
Non-static.
But the reason for taking decision is different.
Yes.
How do you decide variable should be declared or non-static? Depending on what are you trying to store. How do you
Yes.
decide method should be static or non-static? Depends on what are you trying to access. Okay. In that method, if you are accessing only static variable, then what you should do? Declare the method as static.
Static.
If it is not accessing any variable, then also it should be declared as what? Static. First preference is for what? Which method?
Static.
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 If the method variable is non-static, inside static method can I access it? If the variable is non-static, inside
No,
the
sir.
method
No,
can
sir.
I access it? No.
No, sir.
No.
So I don't have any other choice. I should make the method as
Non-static.
Non-static.
Again, if I want to access both, static chalega, but for a
Yeah.
non-static will it work? No.
No, sir.
So what is the
We have
solution
to-
I have?
Non-static method.
Non-static.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to remember this. Okay? That's all for the day. Right? We have another wonderful concept. Tomorrow we'll see a wonderful concept called encapsulation. Tomorrow is
Oh.
what day?
Sir, as you said, the Saturday also class there.
Tomorrow is what day?
Saturday.
Saturday.
I'm taking the class. Okay? Please do not
Sure.
miss. Same. I think 8:30 should be fine. By the time you'll finish all your weekend works. Only probably in case if you have weekend party or something, then it will mess it up. Okay. Anybody
Sir,
has any other plans?
No, sir.
No,
Yes, Deepika madam.
Sir,
Yeah,
can you go
but-
back to that? I have one doubt in demo 9.
Fine.
Demo 9. Yes. No, sorry. Demo 8.
8.
Sir, can you please like tell how this execution, like tracing of this, how the control is going?
Okay. By the time, observe. Print is what type of method, guys?
Non-static method.
Non-static.
Static.
Is it accessing both non-static variable and static variable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here is an example. I've written actually for it. Let's see. Technically speaking, when the control comes to line number 1, will it run the program or load the program?
It will load.
Load the
Load the
program.
program first.
Load the variables and methods.
That, tell me, keep
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 static
pool.
pool.
static.
Static pool.
It will load everything, all the methods and everything. Okay, and here in this case, it will create a class.
Class. Bank.
What is the name of the class?
Banks.
Bank. In that, we
Bank
have
name is
static
static.
variable is there. What is the static variable?
Bank name.
Bank
Bank
name.
name.
What is the bank name?
SBI.
SBI. It will load it. Will it load the constructor? No.
No, sir.
Will it load the print?
No, sir.
Okay. Loading is on. When the control comes here, please tell me what it will do. Create a variable. What is the variable? B1.
B1.
What is this? Please tell me. New.
New.
What is the job of new?
New
Creating a
instance.
new object.
Object.
Create an
New
object. What is an object? Copy of the class.
class.
But is it 100% copy? No. Static members are excluded from copying. What is not copied?
Static.
Static
Hmm.
members.
So not. Will it copy constructor? Yes,
Yes.
of
Yes,
course.
sir.
Will it copy print? Yes, of course. Don't forget, object can access static pool.
Static.
value.
Yes, sir.
Static pool cannot access object. It's one way always. Okay, it's always
One way.
Clear till this?
Yes, sir.
Next, new object is created. What are we doing here? We are calling the constructor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are we sending? 1, 2, 3. Some
Parameters.
ABCD. 1, 2, 3 will go and sit in ACC number. ABCD will go and sit in PAN.
PAN.
Control goes inside. Where is the constructor? Constructor is inside the object. Don't forget. This means what here?
Current object.
Current object.
Current object.
In current object, it will create one variable. Which variable? Account number. Correct, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
In account number, what is stored? 1, 2, 3 is stored. Are you clear with this, Deepika?
Yes, sir.
Explain me this, please.
This dot pan refers to current
Pan.
object. It will create a pan object,
Pan.
and inside that it will take
The
AMCD
AMB, AMB,
yes.
whatever it is, number it
Va-
is stored.
value.
Correct? And B1
Yes,
will
yes.
point here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, please explain me this.
It will call the
B1
print with the help
dot
of
print.
object.
Print is what
Yes.
type of method?
Access
Static method or
operator.
non-static method?
Non-static method.
Will it be in the static pool or it will be inside the object?
Inside the
Inside the object.
Here we have written. Tell me. This dot account number 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
This dot pan A, B, whatever it is. Okay. But what is the last line?
Bank
Bank
underscore
name.
name.
Is it possible object can access static pool?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. This non-static can access static member. Yes. Bank name. What is the
Yes.
bank name? SB. It will.
SBI. Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Sir, is there any difference between local variable and global variable in JavaScript?
Remember, any variable declared inside a method is a local variable. Which one is local variable?
Declared
Any
inside a
variable
inside a
declared inside
method.
method.
Method means, in general, it's a block of program. It could be a constructor, a function, or a method, or a for loop, all those things. So they works only within that. They are called
Yes,
as
sir.
local variable. Local variables are always declared using let keyword. Which keyword?
Let
Let keyword. And this is a global variable. With respect to class, it is global. Anywhere within the class you can access. Okay?
yes, sir.
Hmm.
But initialization and all is not there, no, sir?
Come again?
Initialization for local variable is
On
mandatory
the
in
spot it will
Java.
happen. During runtime it will happen. It vanishes on the spot then and there on.
If both local variable and global variable have the same name,
I'll
then,
explain that code. Don't worry. I'll teach you how to access. Already we
so-
know that. I showed you that example, but still I'll tell you. Tell me, what is this? What is this one?
account number.
Is it a global variable or local variable?
It's a
Local
local
variable,
variable,
sir.
This is a global variable.
Yes, sir.
So how to print this dot account number? How to access it? Directly account number. Tomorrow remind me with example, I'll show you. Okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
So global variable also you can declare with let, right?
Remember, in JavaScript, there are two types of global variables are there. Once I finish OOPS concept, I'll teach you that.
Sure. Okay.
Two types of global variable. One global with respect to current file. One
Yes, sir.
global with respect to current class. Okay.
Okay.
I'll teach you that use by taking a topic called scope.
Sure.
Any other question?
So the account number and PAN are not declared, sir. Let is not used.
Let is not used. Inside the class, we don't use the let for this one. What is that?
Inside a class.
Inside the class, inside the method argument also, we don't use it.
We don't
Correct,
use-
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whereas if I want to write anything, here I should use let is.
Okay. Inside method. Okay.
Anywhere, inside the block, anywhere.
Block.
Normal code, you have to use let keyword. In two places, we don't use let keyword. Number one,
Inside the
inside the
method.
class
Inside a class.
and in the argument.
In the
In two
argument.
places,
Okay.
we don't use let. In everywhere, we'll use let.
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 Finish.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
guys.
sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.